Welcome to our channel. Making a payment on your Truist credit card is straightforward and can be done through multiple convenient methods to keep your account in good standing. Step 1. Log into your Truist online banking account using your username and password at truist.com. Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts section where you'll see all your Truist accounts including your credit card. Step 3. Select your Truist credit card from the list to view its current balance, minimum payment due and due date. Step 4. Click on the Make a Payment or Pay Bill button to begin the payment process. Step 5. Choose the account from which you want to make the payment, typically your Truist checking or savings account. Step 6. Enter the payment amount, which can be the minimum payment, statement balance, current balance, or a custom amount. Step 7. Select the payment date, choosing either today for immediate payment or scheduling it for a future date before the due date. Step 8. Review all payment details carefully to ensure accuracy before submitting. Step 9. Confirm the payment and save the confirmation number for your records. Step 10. You can also make payments through the Truist mobile app or by calling customer service if you prefer those methods. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.